friends, this is Donna and you are watching my channel Daddy's Artistic Daughter. Today I am going to make a fridge magnet. Let's see what all things I need to make this fridge magnet. The very first thing is this wooden square. This is of 3 into 3 inches. Acrylic paint. This is black and this is bronze and this is pearl white. These are the permanent ink. This is blue and this is purple. Ink daubers for the permanent inks and a paint brush for the acrylic paint. This is a piece of magnet to hold this fridge magnet. Glue, silicone mold, this is clay, and this is a die cutout. So let's begin. So I have already painted this one. This is exactly the same wooden frame. Dabbing these two colors and blending it well. I will secure the extra clay for later use. So the first coat is dry. So now I will apply the top coat, that is the bronze one. My brush is dry. I'll not apply any water on it. Done. Now I will be securing all the parts with the help of this glue. Everything is secured. So now I will be adding few details into it. It's almost done. Now I will be adhering this magnet at the back. I will be adding this cutout, die cutout as well. This is just to add some sentiments into it. I have this die cut out. If you want, you can add some freehand circle or some square, or you can just skip this part as well. Since the paint is not dry yet, the stars, so I cannot write anything as of now. Once it is dry, I'll add some thanks to my die cutout. If you want, you can add varnish to the figures, but I have decided to keep it like this. I have added a sentiment to the die cutout at the back. Here it is thanks, which makes my project complete and ready to use. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.